क्या खाए क्या ना खाए ये कैसी मुश्किल है. You tell me to cut down on food that I eat, be it grains, dairy or even meat. Stay away from maida, gluten and wheat. The world is shaking beneath my feet. क्या खाए क्या ना खाए. Stick to your diet and a low carb meal. Why do we make a simple act of eating such a big deal? You tell me I'm overweight and my cellulites need to heal. Have you ever wondered how that makes me feel? You lose the nutrients if your food is overcooked. Oh, be careful of pesticides if you're plant-based and eat uncooked. Animal products contain hormones. Fruits treated with chemicals. Damn, what do I put in my mouth? Nothing seems logical. देखो मुश्किल तो है भाई. Intermittent fasting and weight training keep adding to life chores. The way to a man's heart is not through the stomach anymore. My toothpaste contains more salt than my food. I keep avoiding that chocolate that lifts up my mood. In this ocean of diet, I'm unsure where I stand. Every healthy life app offers a special diet plan. All these research reports keep giving me a झटका. साला मेरा पेट है कि मिट्टी का मटका. कभी तो लगता है सब चला रहे हैं अपनी अपनी दुकान. खुद जेब भरते जा रहे हैं मचा के हमारी लाइफ में तूफान. भरते जाओ तुम तो मजा करो. हम चाहे भूखे सोए मगर तुम्हारे पेट की पूजा करो. Vegan and dairy free diets won't make you fat. Join Aerial Silk or Pilates if you want your belly flat. Keto, paleo, what is this, what is that? I'm all over the place now like a rickety rat. Our fruits have pesticides, our milk is unclean. Our bread has gluten, our water has chlorine. We must stop adulterated food. This is not what you need. Having said that, even the air is polluted. Then shouldn't I even breathe? देखो मुश्किल तो है भाई. Truffle oil, kombucha and apple cider vinegar. 5 types of salt and sugar-free sugar. Imported cold cuts and imported cheese burn a hole in my pocket, make me fall on my knees. My grocery bills cost me millions of rupees. Buying almond milk and avocados cost me more than my child's school fees. Although weight loss medicines and fat diets pay attention, that I just have this one simple and straight questions. If MSG, oil and sugar lead to an ugly body and face, why was it even created in the first place? क्या खाए क्या ना खाए ये कैसी मुश्किल है. कोई तो बता दे इसका हल हो मेरे भाई. I read labels, count calories and follow the rules. Low fat, sugar free, they're just marketing tools. It's all a gamble and I'm just a pawn in their game. No matter what I do, there's someone here to shame. Listen to your body, but then drown it in the noise. Experts, influencers and ads all selling their ploys. Eat this, not that, do more, eat less. Life's become a series of food-related stress. I get tossed like a salad, I get tossed like a coin. I get lost here and there, but only I have to find. Mind is in the belly and belly is in the mind. We can see through these gimmicks. The public is no more blind. But here's what I've decided to do. I'll stop chasing perfection and let go of the fear. I'll eat consciously and savor what I hold dear. I'll seek balance, not guilt, joy, not regret. Because food is more than rules. It's a life energy we get. I'm not a victim. No. I've no complaints. Just trying to survive without too many restraints. So let me eat a balanced diet before my intestines begin to cry. I don't blame any experts. Even they bloody try. So I'll listen to my instincts and quiet the crowd. After all, isn't that what life's all about?